Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Malu Suaverdes from Baler Aurora, Quezon. And this is my painting. Oh, by the way, we're now in the exhibit of the Filipinos, a group of Filipinos here around the globe, actually. So I will be showing you different types of paintings. So while we walk on, and I will start with my work, of course. And this is my work. It's about somebody who's working in the field. And this is the Asian hat usually used by the Asian people who works in the farm because of the heat. And this is something I added with, and this is the rice field. It's different here in the Netherlands. Then you have tulip fields. So I'm showing you, we're now here in Wassenaar, and this is the Windmolen Gallery, and we're invited to, a group of artists were invited to show our work, and that's about the color and the springtime. And this is my work, and you see the salakot. Salakot is what the Asians are wearing while they're working in the farm. And this is the start of the harvesting of the rice field. Then we can go on with this.